Are you ready to elevate your career to the next level? At v2it.com, our AWS Cloud Administration training is tailored for aspiring IT professionals and seasoned experts alike. Gain the skills to design, deploy, and manage cloud solutions with the world's leading cloud platform, AWS. Did you know AWS powers some of the biggest companies in the world? From startups to Fortune 500 firms, businesses are adopting cloud computing at record speed. And with that comes a huge demand for certified professionals who can manage and optimize AWS environments. Our AWS Cloud Administration training gives you everything you need to excel. Dive deep into core AWS services like EC2, S3, RDS, and IAM. Practice real-world scenarios with hands-on labs. Learn to design scalable, secure, and cost-efficient cloud architectures. Plus, we provide a step-by-step certification guide, so you're fully prepared to ace the AWS Certified Solutions Architect, SysOps Administrator, or Cloud Practitioner exams. Hundreds of students have already transformed their careers with v2it. Whether you're starting fresh or looking to upskill, our course is your gateway to high-paying roles and long-term success. Your journey to mastering the cloud starts today. Visit v2it.com to explore the course and enroll now. Don't miss this chance to turn your cloud computing dreams into reality. To-it, empowering IT careers one learner at a time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.